Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Priscilareyyes, also known as The Waxing Plug, and today I have an unboxing video for you guys. Today we're going to be unboxing some waxing supplies that I ordered for my business. For some of you that may know and do follow me on Instagram, I am starting my waxing business. I'm just working on a couple of things still. A lot of the supplies from Spot Order. So in most of my videos I'll say that I get my supplies from Spot Order because that is my favorite place to get waxing supplies from. I love their products. They sell good products for a good price. So I'm just going to be opening this up real quick. So I already had opened this yesterday. I just didn't really look through it. I obviously know what I ordered, but I closed it up again because I didn't want to take anything out since I am going to be using this for my business. But I decided to do an unboxing video for my YouTube so that you guys can see what products I use and where I get it from, to show you guys the products that you need to prep and why you need these products. So hopefully, okay, it doesn't show my address, so that's all I was worried about. So Spot Order, this is from Spot Order. All of the products here are from Spot Order. I'm gonna leave the website link in the description down below for you guys. So they don't have any like cool packaging or anything, it's just very basic. For some of you that do not know, I work with both soft wax and hard wax. So in my studio I do plan on using soft wax and hard wax again. So I'm going to be using muslin strips for soft wax. This strip is what you use to apply on top of the soft wax. So for those of you that do not know, when using soft wax you do need to use strips. These are the strips. When it comes to hard wax, you don't need a strip. It dries on its own and you just rip it off once it sets. So I bought a small roll. I thought it was going to be bigger, but this will last me for a very long time. So that's fine. The quality is different from the other one that I purchased, and I think it's a different, yeah, it's a different material. I'm gonna just try it out and see how I like it. I don't really like these type of strips because I feel like they rip easily, but it's okay. We all make mistakes. You live and you learn. And this is my first time like ordering online. Before I would just go in person, but since they moved, I'm not like, they moved all the way to Texas, girl. I live in Cali. Like, how is that gonna work? So I'm just gonna have to read the description better because I clearly didn't read that right, but it's okay. This will work. It's still, we're gonna make it work. So the second thing that I got was barbicide. I still have a lot from I still have a lot left over from my other jug, but I want to make sure that I have some fresh barbicide for my new studio. And then I got some cotton rounds. I got them because they were cheap. They were like maybe $2 or less, like one something. So I always try to stock up as much as I can when it comes to cotton rounds so that I never run out. I also got some barbicide wipes. Although I already have my barbicide, I feel like it's easier to just grab the wipe and just wipe everything down than to create a spray and then wipe everything down. I don't know, it's just easier for me. So another thing that I got was my favorite pre-wax cleanser. So since this one is from Spot Order, I usually get it from Amazon and it comes in 2, but today I got it from Spot Order. Maybe next time I should have gotten it from Amazon because I feel like they have better deals on Amazon sometimes. And then I got some post-wax oil. So this is the oil that I was talking about in my other videos. It usually comes in a big bottle. That's the one that I got that was wholesale when I first bought it, but I had split it up with somebody else. So this one is a smaller one. I got a smaller one because since it is only for me, I don't want to buy a big one right now. Until I run out with this one and until I'm getting a lot of clients, then I plan on getting the wholesale one. But for now, this will last me a very good while. So that's all that matters. And you guys can definitely use different types of oils to remove any excess wax. That is what I'm using this for, to remove any leftover wax that I have when I am waxing a client or waxing myself. So another thing that I got, and these are my favorite pre-wax powders. If you follow me, you know how obsessed I am with these. I love these so much because honestly the quality, girl, like I love this powder. It's really good. It's from Wax. It looks like this. I always stock up really quickly because these run out really fast. And the reason why I love these powders so much is that it's because it comes in a pump already. So you just pump it out and the powder comes out easily. So I did stock up on some wax. For those of you that do not know, I do work with Bombshell, and I am stocked up with Bombshell wax. I always see this type of wax on TikTok or from my waxer herself. She uses like this very light pink, and I know it's from Wax, and I'm pretty sure it's this one that they told me. Pink chiffon, is that how you pronounce it? Yeah, so I'm gonna try this wax out because it looks so pretty and I want to try it out and see if is it really worth my money. Now wax is so freaking good. If you haven't gotten your hands on wax, you need to try it, girl, because it is good quality wax too. So another thing I got was soft wax. I couldn't find the soft wax that I personally love using, which is the aloe vera and the plus vitamin E, also from Wax, but I couldn't find it. They ran out, so I got something else. It is the Flora Wax sensitive skin wax. I got soft wax for sensitive skin because I love using soft wax for my face, and when it's for sensitive skin, it's just a lot gentler on my skin, and I love that. So that's why I got the soft wax, because personally I love it for my face wax. And the last two things that I got are eyebrow sticks and waxing sticks in general. So these eyebrow sticks, I've never used them, but I've always wanted to try them because I feel like it gives you that clean finish, which I need when I'm doing eyebrow waxes. So this one kind of has, let me take one out so that you guys can see it. It has kind of like an angle to it, so like towards the end. I don't know if you guys can really see it. Hopefully my camera focuses, but it's like slanted. That's what you're gonna need when you're doing eyebrows. So I need to put these in a safe spot so that they don't get dirty. And then this is the kit that I got. It comes with 150 small applicator sticks, 100 medium sticks, and 100 large sticks, and in total 350 sticks, which is really good because this will last you a long time. So, well, at least for me, until I'm getting clients constantly. Once I start getting clients, girl, I'm gonna be stocking up. But this is kind of my little stock up for right now, just to start, you know. And once I'm getting clients, girl, I can start stocking up on products. Obviously right now I can't stock up because I don't have the money or the clients to stock up. Alright, you guys, so as I was filming TikToks for my TikTok, I was also doing an unboxing on my TikTok as well. So if you want to see that video, go ahead over to my TikTok. But my other package came in and I was like, why not add it onto this video if this video is an unboxing video? And this is what I'm most excited about. On TikTok you get my actual reaction, but this is my second reaction because bitch, I'm so excited. You don't understand what it feels like to get new supplies once you're in the beauty industry. Like, getting new supplies while being in the beauty industry is just like you get so excited over wax warmers, bitch, and waxing sticks and new wax, but most importantly a new wax warmer. Like, I'm so excited because this is like, I feel like this wax warmer is the beginning to becoming a professional waxer. Like, I feel more professional working with wax now because I have this wax warmer. So here it is. I got two. The first one is this is the soft wax warmer. This is the soft wax warmer. This one is meant for soft wax, and it has a cute pink outlining on the rim. I was gonna get its twin, but that shit was way too motherfucking expensive, and girl, I was off a couple dollars, so I was like, no. But I still got another wax warmer that was cheaper than her twin because I still needed a wax warmer regardless. But I really wanted the twin because I think it would have been so cute if I would have had both of them. I'll show you the twin. I'll put a photo right there. Yeah, so this one is meant specifically for soft wax, which I needed two because this is my old wax warmer, and girl, I was not about to work on clients using this wax warmer that I've had for years. Okay, not years, 8 years. But it's like, it's done. That wax warmer is done. Like, I used it to the max. So, and obviously it's not a professional wax warmer, so it's not gonna last you forever. So I wanted to definitely upgrade, and that's why I did. So I got this soft wax warmer. So this one is the ESTHI wax warmer from STARPIL, and that is so cute. I love that they called it ESTHI. I'm pretty sure everyone was thinking about using that phrase. This is not the twin from this one that I was telling you guys about. The other one had a pink handle. I'm just kidding. It had a pink top holder, so you could put the lid inside. Like, there was a slit right there that was pink, and you could put the lid right there to rest. That was literally the only thing that was different from the other this wax warmer, and the fact that it was like, it had a pink slit. That was literally the only difference, and it cost maybe a couple dollars more. But since I'm not working, I can't afford the pretty things, so I got this baby, which I'm still excited to use because it's the exact same thing. It's just, it doesn't come with a lid holder or whatever. So I'm excited to use this. I needed the upgrade, bestie, like I told y'all. So another thing that they gave you with this wax warmer is I personally, if you know me, I'm not really a STARPIL wax lover. I don't really like STARPIL wax. I feel like it hurts me. So I'm excited to try these to see maybe it's different from the blue one, because I don't like the blue one. The blue one hurts me. That's just me though. I know like a lot of spas use it, like the European Wax Center, they use STARPIL. But yeah, I don't really like STARPIL. So I guess they sent over a hand sanitizer too. Like, bitch, okay. And then they also sent over this spatula, this wooden spatula. Now I've seen on videos on YouTube and TikTok of waxers using these spatulas, and it's like basically to stir the wax like in the pot, which I am gonna use, but I think I'm gonna buy some silicone ones instead, so that the wax can fall off easier and it doesn't stick to this and it doesn't get ugly. I don't know if, I don't know, I've never used one of these. I always see them like in waxing studios and stuff, but I don't know if you can reuse this, or like, do you take it out, clean it? I'm gonna do some research on this to see how you're supposed to use it, and then I'll share it with you guys, because honestly I really don't know. But yeah, I am gonna order some on Amazon for the silicone ones, because I heard that you can disinfect those and reuse them, but as for the wood ones, I really don't know. Also seen on videos too where they use these large sticks to apply the wax, which I don't think that's sanitary, because if you're sticking this stick inside of the wax and then to a client's hand and then back into the wax, wouldn't that be cross-contamination? Because I saw a video, so I'm just like wait a minute, you know, like, wouldn't that be cross-contamination? But I don't know, like, well, I do know, so that's why I'm like asking other people. See if I could try to find the video, and if I find it, then I'm gonna put it right here, and you guys let me know what you guys think about that, because I don't know, I'm a little confused. But yeah, pretty much it for my unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys have any questions about waxing supplies or beauty school, then go ahead and comment that down below. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to stay updated with me, go follow me on my socials. I post on TikTok and Instagram. I'm trying to be more consistent, so you know, bear with me. See you later, STHI bestie.